Today we'll talk about the term complaint, which is defined under Section 2E of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita. As per that definition, a complaint is always made to a magistrate. It can never be made to a police officer. That is why it is different from FIR, because that can be made to a police officer, but complaint is always made to a magistrate. Now, the second is that it can be made both in cognizable as well as non-cognizable offences. On the other hand, FIR is possible only in cognizable cases. Thirdly, it can be made orally or in writing. Now, after receiving complaint, magistrate has two options. If the offence is cognizable, in that case, magistrate can either ask the police officer to lodge FIR and investigate the case. After investigation, police will submit the police report, and the magistrate will can take cognizance on the basis of police report. On the other hand, magistrate, even in cognizable cases, can directly take cognizance on complaint and can follow the procedure given under chapter 16 of the Sanhita. And if the offence is non-cognizable in nature, if the magistrate feels that the offence that the cognizance should be taken, then he can proceed on complaint and can follow the procedure given under chapter 16 of the Sanhita. Now, if the police officer start investigating a case believing that it is related to cognizable offense, but after investigation, when the police officer files police report, the offense which discloses is of non-cognizable in nature, in that case police of magistrate cannot take cognizance on police report. Rather, he will take cognizance on that report, considering it as complaint, and will follow the procedure which is to be followed when the cognizance is taken on complaint. This is the major difference between FIR and complaint. I hope it is clear. If there is any doubt, please comment.